Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Now, did you know that toothpaste is not only used for mouthwash, it is also a really good cleaning agent. I bet you didn't know this before now. And as always, I'm going to show you the wonders it works in a bit. So when your toothpaste is empty, do not, I repeat, do not throw it away. Now, get your empty toothpaste like I have and cut it into several bits. So please, it doesn't matter what kind of toothpaste you use, all right? Any brand will do because almost the same ingredient is used in making almost all the toothpaste. So, like I said, cut into bits like I have already, and you just want to take one and head over to your restroom. Now, look at that. Just take a really good close look at that. Can you see how discolored my sink is? But by the time I'm done, okay, you will bet on your life that this isn't the same sink. And as always, mark my word. Now take one of the pieces and just proceed to cleaning, okay? Toothpaste includes abrasive substances and antimicrobial whitening that makes surfaces clean and shiny. And yes, these are about the same kind of substances that leaves your teeth bright, fresh, and shining after brushing them. So this is a quick question to you guys that I would love for you to answer in the comments. All right. Would you try this trick? Yes or no? And if yes, how often would you try it? But if no, then I think you should have a rethink because by the time I'm done, you obviously have a rethink. So guys, if you've watched this video up until this point, please be sure to give this video a massive thumbs up and also be sure to share with your friends, families or colleagues as the case may be, so this content could reach a larger audience. Okay, also if you wish to subscribe to this channel, which I strongly advise you do, please click on the subscribe button at the bottom right hand corner or just click on the subscribe button on my channel. Okay, and wow, this is the final look. Although it has some little discoloration, which is realistic if you ask me, as opposed to this is just a no-no. Okay, this is a no-no. So yeah, I'm gonna try this procedure one more time to get the few living stains finally off. And of course, it is not magic. Okay, I need to try it, or I am going to try it one more time. But then it is not bad as it is. You can as well leave it like this and wait until it is really dirty, or until it is dirty before you try it again.